We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Friends and families will prosper. Pick up for business. Hey guys, we are marking up USD CAD. Let's take a look at price action to see what's going on. So again, we can clearly see that market price was at an area of resistance. It may return back to area of support. Market was at an area of lower lows. But market pushed up once, twice, three times. Market came up to high highs once, wasn't able to break. Tried to come back a second time, didn't happen. Came back to area of support. Pushed back up a third time, was able to make it all the way to the top. Consolidated, pushed up for a fourth time. Market broke down. So if market price break this area here, maybe headed down to lower lows. If not, market can reverse, head back to higher highs, or it can consolidate sideways before it breaks up and break down. All right, let's clear out markups. We can clearly see that we may be in a downtrend. Let's clear out SR lines. We look at price action. Price was going to go up. How far would it go up? Area high highs. Grab this peak right here. If price would return back to a bottom of lower lows and break down further down, how far would it go? Either that level there, or we can go lower. Where price action currently is, look over to the left. Try to break this inverted peak here. So we got an area high highs, a midpoint, lower lows. Let's set it down the time frame, see if we see anything in the market. Looking at the last three candles, market has lost momentum. The last candle is very small. It's about very small, 10%. Previous one stream is larger than that one. So it shows that price action going backwards was working its way in size. On the way down is losing momentum. So that means market price may be doing two things, three things. Price may be reversing to retest and to break down lower. You get that retest again to new levels. So that'd be a double top in that area. If not, price may be consolidating sideways. If that don't happen, market can turn around, hit that big double bottom for that first leg that it could be on, come up for that second, drop down for that third, push up for that fourth, retest, market pushes back up to previous levels of higher highs, could have a cutoff point, drop back down, never know. Okay, the area we're going to be paying attention to is within this circle. So we're going to zoom out. We're going to see in this time frame. So now we're going to create some midpoints between our SR lines. So we notice our midpoint here, so it has to be a midpoint somewhere here. So let's grab some of these inverted peaks. We're going to grab the inverted peaks in these areas here. Slide up just a little bit. Perfect. So let's set down the time frame and see if we see any patterns in the market. Okay, there's nothing forming at the moment. All I see right now, market was at an area highs, it pushed down once. 1 second. Market was at a higher highs, pushed down once, twice. Could be the third final time. If not, we'll get one more push down, retest. Market is gone. For right now, this market is a waiting game for us to see some pattern. So whatever the market's going to do in this area here, the pattern's going to form. So we got to wait for a pattern to form to see if we're going to take it up to the market's going to reverse and go up, or it's going to go down. It's going to consolidate. But no trade in the market for UCAD, USD, CAD. Just a waiting game. Let the market do what it do. It's going to form, and we'll catch within this circle for us to take entry. For us to figure out what's going to go, what pattern is going to happen in this market, for us to stay ahead of the game, is we'll go to Google, type in Forex pattern cheat sheets, and we'll look for patterns. For example, we have a double bottom right here. And what this example is, market coming down from somewhere. We have one push down, two push down, three push down to the bottom of major area of support. Within that area of support, it created a double bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, broke out of the area of resistance, came back to retest once, twice, back at levels of highs for the third time where previous was. Okay. Also, we're taking these trades. Also, be interested and be ready for the breakout and retest. And what that is, if we see that we in a clear uptrend, for example, here, if we are in that uptrend, we wait for our price action candles to break our SR line. It's going to break out of our SR line. Once it get up to the top, we'll wait for it to return. Okay, so don't be too fast to jump and enter in these areas here. Just wait till it breaks out. It'll always come back and return. Once the market returns, we'll see the area where it returns to the support. Some type of pattern is going to happen here. It could be a single top, double top, triple top, flag. Some type of Forex pattern is going to enter itself here. Once we see it, we take the trade and we'll take it to the next level. The trade is golden. Once again, USDCAD is no trade, is a waiting game. Please wait for the market to do what it do. It's going to take some days. It's going to take some time. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. USD CAD.